Alright, so for today, I will share with all of you the use of an interactive whiteboard in online class. So as we know, alright, in before this, alright, we are using the whiteboard. Okay, but there is several sort of like for examples in these pictures, can collaborate, but we can see that not enough space to do all the equations and everything. Okay, and then if like by using the previous whiteboard, okay, I mean face-to-face the current the traditional whiteboard. So we can see that if like we draw the big diagrams, okay, large diagram, so it will have like a little space for our equation, okay. And then if like this when we write too small, then we don't have like enough space to do all the equation or all the calculation. Then if like too small, the students also at the behind cannot see. Okay, and then when it's too big, also the writing is too big. We also cannot get have the enough space to complete all the calculations and everything. So for today, all right. So as we know that for traditional whiteboard, it limits the collaboration. Okay, difficult to make annotations, or we can add the new content without wiping it off. Right, the old content, and then it's limit the ability to share the information and interact with the content. But for today, I will share with you the interactive of whiteboard for online teaching. Okay, so you got the better display and interaction. Okay, it enhance the visualization for the participants and also the create situation of active rather than passive learning. That's equation that you can show to a student. Okay, that is one part for the equation. Okay, for examples, all right, I have graph to do. Okay, so how? So for examples, I have this graph. I want to show to them, okay, how we want to get the hours. Okay, easy. All right, so you just copy paste, snip that, then you can just paste into your whiteboard. Okay. So in here you have like the main. Okay, so you want your collaboration or your student to add more on this ataupun to elaborate more on this first aid close and everything. So you also can add the collaborator here, invite someone. For example, here, because I'm using the UTP account, so you can have several of students to or your collaborators to add in this whiteboard.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yeah.
Let's say that we invite our student to join in this Microsoft Whiteboard, right?
Mm-hmm.
So after class, can they still access the whiteboard? Let's say maybe they want to revise or study.
I think that's all for my presentation. Okay, so for today's what I can summary for the today's COP is that by using this Microsoft Whiteboard, okay, this interactive whiteboard, okay, you'll be able to write the complex equation and easy for you to show to the student how the equation from the start, and then how to derive it. Okay, and then you can collaborate with the participants, which is your student, and then you can draw the diagram, and also at the end you can save and resume with the ease.